So after we backtest and we got all the numbers, got all the trades, knowing that we lose, or we know the result, whether we win or lose. At this case, we lose two trades. So next, we have to open the graph, which shows the entry, stop loss, and exit price. There's the date, there's the screenshot of it, there's the duration of the trade, and we are just collecting the data. Now I'm gonna give you two examples after we go through the process of doing the backtest. In your case, you have to do 100 of them. Learn how to test, learn how to look at structure, learn how to respect the system rules, and pretty much that's the whole point of backtesting. Now, here's the trade result. You see, we lose. First of all, you have to start off by taking a screenshot. Paste it over here. For the first trade, you check out the dates. It's on May 4th, 2023 at 10 a.m. UTC. The day of the week is Thursday. Now the entry price, double tap on this, copy this, make things fast. Speed is everything as well in backtesting. You don't want to waste time doing things slowly, or else you're gonna waste time. So now the result is minus 1R because you lose 100% of 1% of your risk limit on a trade. Let me explain a little bit. When you have $10,000, you don't want to risk all $10,000. The whole point is to take as many trades as possible, learn, collect data, analyze on it, and develop your skill on that. This is what we call risk management. So I give you a very basic and fundamental rules in trading on risk management. So for risk management, the foundation for that is to make sure that each trade you must have a fixed risk on each trade. The risk has to be 1% off your whole net worth or your whole portfolio. Some people has money from their business, they put 50% of their net worth into trading and the other 50 into their business. Some people have some money, they're a student in college or whatever, they wanted to scale up, learn the skill by using all their net worth. So basically it depends on the person. Now, in order for you to risk higher and higher, that would come later on. It will come based upon your skill. It comes based upon where you're at, and it takes time in trading. The whole essence of learning trading is to learn cheap. So the reason why at the moment we're doing all of this without even spending a single dollars on trading is because you are at the start of building the skill. So now you know how to risk management at the core level, and this is the foundation. You scale things up based upon your skill, scale things up based upon your risk tolerance, and you scale things up based upon where you're at. Now, duration. Use this tool to measure. It's 1 day, 14 hours. If you have any things to take note on, take notes. If not, then continue on. Now, take another screenshot on the second trade. Check out the dates. It's on May 6, 2023 at 15 UTC Saturday. Double click, copy, paste, and just make sure this one is a loss. This one on. Duration, 1 day and 10 hours. Now, that is how you collect data for your backtesting after you found the trade based upon your system rules. GM.